All right, we're here with head Northwestern State softball coach Donald Pickett. Donald, you guys went to travel to Louisiana Tech and took a break in the conference schedule on Wednesday, and you picked up a win. How did that really impact you coming into this weekend?
Well, I think it gave us some momentum, especially after the weekend before when we didn't play well. Going up to La Tech on the road against a good team, to come out of there and play really well, and being able to hit the ball out we hit it, and everybody kind of getting involved in that game. A lot of the players got in, seen time, and everybody played pretty well. I think that made us, have a positive outlook on coming into the big conference series against McNeese.
Weather conditions put a damper on the three-game series with McNeese. You only got to play the doubleheader. Do you think things would have been differently if we got to play all three games?
I don't know. You got two good teams there. I don't really know how it played out. It's a shame that we had so much rain the past the three previous days. But it is what it is, and you can't take a chance on being unsafe and taking a chance on getting somebody hurt this early in the conference season. So I think we did the smart thing, and we came out and we were able to get 2 games in this series on Sunday, and it was just a tale of 2 games. I mean, one game we played well, one game they played well, and ended up getting the split.
The McNeese game started a really long home stretch for you. You host Southern on Wednesday in a doubleheader, and then Sam Houston this weekend and Louisiana Lafayette the weekend after that. What do you expect out of Wednesday and then heading into the Sam games?
I'm hoping Wednesday we get to go out and do some things, maybe make a couple of changes that we want to make and see how they're going to work going into this weekend. And just like last weekend, hopefully get some momentum going into the weekend, some positive energy. And Sam's coming to town. They ended up having a big weekend this past weekend against Lamar. They're going to be a really good, it's going to be a good, tough test, and we're going to have to play really well. And hopefully we get that, 2 games. But, we need to use this home stretch to our advantage and definitely, start putting everything together to, put a consistent run in place, heading down the stretch here in the last month of the season.